Welcome. If you're an experienced professional in the engineering field seeking a new position, or if you need to hire an excellent candidate matched to your company's particular needs, you have come to the right site. My name is Eric Berg, and since 1977, my award-winning firm, J.N. Adams & Associates, has continuously placed highly qualified engineers, managers, and directors both in plant and corporate settings around the country. We work in a strictly confidential manner through our networks of specialists in quality assurance, manufacturing, engineering, Six Sigma, and Lean in today's complex economy. We save our clients money and time by knowing the locations of the best jobs and the best candidates and bring them together. Because of our position in the field, we're able to enhance a company's outreach to busy candidates and lead those candidates through the hiring process. Our unique professional associations give us extensive resources that we can bring to bear on your individual situation. My colleagues and I understand the needs and perspectives of both candidates and employers. Our ability to quickly sift out the key factors in any hiring decision and bring viable matches to an efficient and satisfying conclusion is the key to over 30 years of success. You can trust us to solve your job challenges. Learn more about what we can do for you at our website, jnadams.com, or talk to me directly, Eric Berg, at 203-421-5429, or email me at jnadams@Seashore, that's the initial C, SHORE.com. I look forward to hearing about your needs.